Hi Ipsters, welcome to IPSY. I'm Micaela and I'm an IPSY creator. I make tons of beauty videos, so if you want to check me out, you can go to YouTube or Instagram at Micaela K Beauty and say hey. So today we're here to talk about the cherry on top of your makeup routine, mascara. We all love mascara, but all of our lashes are actually really different. So today we're going to show you how to find the best mascara for your lash type. So I'm having a couple of the girls come in from the office to find a mascara that could be right for them. Also, you guys stay tuned because we have a giveaway at the end of the video and I know you don't want to miss out on that. So let's get right into the video. I wear false lashes all the time, so they're just weighed down and really, really ashy. As you can see, you could barely even see my lashes. They're short. They're just weak. My perfect mascara is gonna lift my lashes, it's gonna separate them, it's not gonna clump them. I like to curl my lashes before I go in with mascara. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. It's not gonna clump, it's not gonna flake, and it's gonna just separate all of your lashes and look really dramatic. This mascara is one of my favorites. It's actually the only mascara that I can wear without false lashes. I start from the bottom and I wiggle the whole wand up, and that just coats every single lash. Now I brought in Tabi and we're gonna have her tell us what her lash type is and we're gonna find her the best mascara once again. So tell us, how do you describe your lashes?
I describe my lashes as pretty light colored because my hair is super light, and so I always want a mascara that's really, really black and dark so I can make sure that my eyes kind of get accentuated that way. And they're really thin, almost like really fine hairs, so I want some mascara that's actually gonna hold. Like use a one that's actually gonna hold onto it. And I love having curled lashes.
Okay, so what kind of mascara wand do you like?
Something that's a little bit bigger because I have bigger eyes, and so a bigger wand actually works for me a lot easier.
Are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Okay.
I think I'm ready.
Okay, brace yourself. Okay, brace. This is a mascara I picked for you. It's a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It has a super big applicator, just like you said you liked.
Like
I think this is gonna curl your lashes really, really well. I think you're gonna be fairly pleased with this mascara, so I want you to try it on and tell me what you think. You said that you had lighter colored eyelashes. I gave you a mascara that is super jet black, so it will definitely be black enough for you, I think. What do you think?
Yeah, I think I already noticed a difference. It's a lot darker.
So the hourglass shape of the applicator is really gonna curl your lashes. As you said that you like your lashes to be super curled. Yeah. So those of you guys who have more fine lashes like Tabi has, you're gonna wanna stay away from the volumizing mascaras just because they can weigh down your lashes. So you're gonna want something lighter like this that will give you a nice curl, especially with this wand shape. Guys, I'm here with Sophia, and today we're gonna try to find her a perfect mascara for her type of lashes. So I'm gonna ask you a couple questions, and then we're gonna decide which mascara works the best. Okay. So, how do you describe your lashes?
They're long and curly already, so I don't really have to do much, but I love mascara. That's like my first thing I put on.
Okay, so now that I know that you have long, amazing curly lashes, I think you need a volumizing mascara. So I'm gonna give you this mascara from Bare Minerals. It's called Lash Domination. It's super volumizing. I think it's gonna be exactly what you like and what you need in a mascara. Now this mascara actually has a thickener in it, so you don't want to apply too much because you don't need it. Okay. So just add as much as you think you need. I know. So when you're picking out a volumizing mascara, you want to make sure that the wand is super thick, so that way it's gonna coat all of your lashes and it's gonna get it all in one go.
I like that it separates my lashes because I like to have as many eyelashes as I can.
We have Alina here with us and we're gonna find out which mascara is best for her. So let me ask you a couple questions. How do you describe your lashes?
I would say they are short, straight, stubby, and super stubborn.
Okay. What do you not like in a mascara?
I don't like the thick ones. The ones that are just like when you put it on and it makes it look really thick and it looks fake because they're like thick.
So you like it to be a little more natural?
Yeah.
I got you. I think you want to stray away from something volumizing, and then I think we want to go towards something a little bit more lengthening. All right, are we ready for the big reveal? I've picked out a lash mascara for you, and drum roll please. The mascara that I've chosen for you is the MAC Extended Play Lash. So this wand is perfect for you because it's gonna be super easy to apply. It's really small, so you're gonna be able to get into all those areas. And this actually does have some fibers in it, so when you apply it, you're gonna wanna focus on the tips of your lashes, so that way it's gonna lengthen. This wand is actually great for people who may have monolids or somebody who have small eyelids. And also, it's really great for your lower lash line, for anyone really, because the wand is super small and easy to work with, so you're just gonna be able to be very precise with this wand. All right guys, now we have Madeline here. We're gonna find you the perfect mascara today for your lashes. What do you want in a mascara?
I want my mascara to just plump up what I already have and just make my lashes look full and separated and thick. Because I like a lot of volume and I like them to just look really full. And I think that tends to like work the best for me.
Okay, so you're looking for a clump-free enhancement.
Definitely, yeah.
We all need a little bit of that.
Yeah.
Okay. You may not have heard of this mascara before, but I think this is gonna be the perfect one for you. This is the NARS Climax mascara.
Ooh.
This is actually gonna be clump-free. I know you said you don't want clumps, so I think that this is gonna be perfect for you. It's super buildable, and I just think that you're gonna love it. So try it on and tell me what you think. So this mascara is gonna be basically good for everybody because nobody wants clumpy lashes, and this is gonna be clump-free. It actually has a lash moisture complex in it that's gonna allow you to build. So it's gonna be super buildable without it getting clumpy once again. So would you say this is a success?
Yeah, I definitely would want to use this again. I feel complete now.
Okay, so now we have Afsoon here, and I'm going to help you find your perfect mascara. So tell me a little bit about your lashes.
So my lashes are really sad. They're straight and sad. And they don't hold a curl very well, so I always have to use waterproof.
So what type of formula do you like?
So I definitely love waterproof. I like it to be volumizing and lengthening.
Okay, so I got this Tarte Lights Camera Splashes mascara. It is waterproof. I know you said that that's a major thing for you. And the wand is nice and dense, so you're gonna be able to get nice volume. So pumping the lash curler is actually just gonna make the curl stay in place. It's gonna like put a dent into your lashes, although probably not like a hardcore dent, but it's just gonna really place that curl into like place, basically. So I'm not gonna recommend waterproof mascara to everyone. I'm just gonna focus it on people who are crying a lot, sweating a lot, or if you have lashes similar to Afsoon's that it seems to smudge throughout the day, then maybe you wanna try it waterproof, but they will be more difficult to get off. Maybe you think that's a good thing, so that's up to you to decide. So what do you think so far?
It's great. The formula is really fun.
All right, you guys, I hope this video helped you learn what type of mascara would be best for your lash type. If it did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, we're doing a giveaway of all of these mascaras, so if you want to enter to win, just comment your favorite mascara in the comment section down below and look out to see if you're a winner. Also, you can follow me at Micaela K Beauty on Instagram and YouTube, and I think that's it. Bye!